Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your science class. Let's continue with our topic adaptations of desert animals. First, kangaroo rat. Students, you know that deserts are extremely hot during the daytime and cold at night. But the kangaroo rat is almost perfectly adapted to live in the desert. Kangaroo rat needs very little water for its survival. It eats seeds and other plant parts to fulfill its water requirement. It has an excellent hearing ability and can even detect the silent sound of an approaching owl. Its large back legs enable it to jump up to 9 feet in one jump in order to escape predators. Kangaroo rat is a nocturnal creature. During the day, it hides in burrow and comes out only during the night when it is cooler. Next desert animal is fennec fox. Fennec fox seems to be the only carnivore living in the Sahara Desert which is able to survive without water. It has large ears which are usually 6 inches long, and the air blowing across the large ears helps in cooling the body. Fennec fox is a nocturnal animal and spends most of the day in an underground burrow in order to avoid the desert heat. Its thick and sandy fur helps to reflect heat and also provides excellent camouflage. Camouflage means to blend with surrounding sand and escape from predator. Its thick fur on the soles of its feet insulates against the hot sand of the desert. It means it can easily walk or run in the sandy soil of desert. That's all in this video. Thank you.